Mark Darren here from Remax. We have a new condo listing for you this week. We are down here in Byron Center, actually Caledonia Schools, and we are in some beautiful condos. This condo particularly is a standalone condo. A lot of these other ones are attached in like a duplex style. This one is a standalone. This one was one of the model parade, so it's got a lot of upgrades on it. So come on in and check it out. All right, now that we're inside, before we get too far, right there to your left is a nice office and sitting room office. I've seen this used in a lot of different ways, even a guest bedroom potentially if you needed. Pay attention to these nice windows. You can leave them wide open to get all that natural light or close them. What's kind of nice with this front office or sitting room is that it's on a barn slider and it's got the frosted glass. So also keeps the natural light coming in and out for you. Walking back out of that office slash sitting room, look at this entryway. There's some extras here with some nice tongue and groove ceiling and nice light feature, gives it a warm feel. Not too far down the hall is going to be your half bath, which is real close to the 3-stall garage. And you also have the main floor laundry. Appliances are going to be included in this sale. So in addition to the half bath and main floor utility, there is a coat closet here. What's kind of nice is that there's another coat closet off the garage, which if you can see right over here. And while we're right in this area, let's point out the garage. It is a 3-stall garage. Finished 3-stall garage. What's kind of nice, the owner did put some storage above the garage doors. So anything Christmas tree ornaments, Christmas tree itself, you've got tons of storage up and out of the way. You're gonna need a ladder to get to it, but what a neat way to get extra storage. All right, so here it is. This is a great room feel where you're gonna have the dining area, kitchen, which is enormous with cabinets all the way to the ceiling, hard surface countertops, convection and regular size oven. In the kitchen, all of these are soft close drawers and very nice. So these are two huge cabinets, good for pots and pans, lots of space. There is a lot of cabinetry in here. Notice the different color of the island cabinets versus the white on the wall. Tons of nice tile work, backsplash tile work. Look at this large living room. We've got nice high ceilings, tons of light, all on dimmers. We did just kick on this fireplace so that we could kind of get a nice look, but I'll tell you what, it's already increased the heat in here by a couple degrees. It works really well for look and for temperature. Beautiful center piece of the room. Then you walk over to the 4-season room. Tons of glass, tons of natural light, and you've got a nice cathedral feel in here. And if you look out the back, you're looking over a nice natural area, woods. Right now it's obviously winter, but once there's leaves on there, you're not gonna be able to see another house at all. You're super private even the way it sits right now. So in addition to the kitchen, then dining area, you do have the 4-season room, which you already saw with the gas fireplace on each side. You also have a deck off the back. So you can still have your cookouts, you can still have your picnic area. Nice privacy out back. You're definitely gonna be seeing just leaves and trees all summer long. Downstairs on the walkout is also a concrete patio, so lots of outdoor spaces to enjoy too. Okay, so as we leave the living room, we're gonna pass another closet, perfect for linens, any type of other storage you want to keep in there. Does have a newer thermostat, which is a Wi-Fi thermostat. Say you want to change the heat, you forgot to turn the AC on or off, you're out of town, you can control the heat from remotely. Very large master bedroom. Keep in mind too, the trim. The trim is definitely a upgrade. These are actually windows as well. I've seen a bedroom, sometimes you want it blacked out, but these are windows as well. You can have this open. Usually what's nice about the higher windows is you can leave those with the blinds open for that morning light, or some people like it pitch black when they wake up. Depends on how you want to do that. Look at this master bath. Nice high countertops, hard surface, tile black backsplash around there, glass shower, tile floor. The walk-in closet is very spacious. If you can't keep enough of your clothes in there, you've got too many clothes. And then the half bath, or the bath off the master. The pictures that we'll have online will show this virtually furnished, so you can kind of get an idea of space, but everything is really good size. So as you walk downstairs, you walk right into a family room that is, I keep saying the word large and huge and ginormous, but that does describe a lot of the rooms that we're looking at. And once again, big windows for natural light facing that private backyard, truly private backyard. Also in the basement is a kitchenette. So you've got water, microwave, cabinets, perfect spot for the stove if you'd like to put one in. So downstairs you're gonna have 2 more bedrooms. So depending on what you call that first room upstairs that we walked in, saw, that's either an office, sitting room, or could be guest room. So you could, it does have a closet in it. So this could be a 4-bedroom, or it could be a 3-bedroom with a den/office. One key component, while we're in this room, I might as well show you, is out back is a Generac on-demand generator. And so what that is basically when the power ever goes out, that's gonna instantly turn on and replace the power of the whole condo. So they're a $10,000 to $15,000 add-on depending on a few things, but it's really nice to have. You know, everybody else power goes out, yours just instantly turns on without skipping a beat. So nice add-on that comes standard with this home. That would be your 3rd bathroom, 2 full in 1 half, so this would be your 2nd full bath. The final bedroom on the tour is right here, and it is a mini walk-in closet. So underneath the stairway, you've got more storage, and while I'm on the storage topic, let's walk over to the unfinished portion of the home. You still, even though you have a lot of finished square footage, you still have a lot of storage for, once again, the Christmas tree stuff, ornaments, whatever you want to store. You could even potentially do a little workout area here if you wanted. You can see over here mechanically that's part of that Generac on-demand generator. But this condo is going to be really efficient. That concludes your tour of Haven Drive out here in Byron Center. It's a beautiful standalone condo, potentially 4 bedrooms, technically 3 with an office, lots of extras, lots of add-ons. Thanks for taking your time. Give us a call for a private tour and have a great day.